We are at the cabin.
We're
This
here.
is the living room.
Why are we
And
here?
the fire is going on. So cool.
Can you say why we're here? Let's see.
Can you?
Kawaii Bobbin. Ooh. Kawaii. What's the reason for this trip?
My birthday is on the 22nd.
Sugoi.
And I'm turning 27.
Wow. Exciting.
Exciting. It's the fire. It's very warm.
Ooh. Nice and cozy. Oh, we should take a quick look. Our room.
This is the room that we're staying today.
Little room.
Oh.
Looks great.
Looks great.
Okay. Alright. Peace.
Good morning. We're in Sholo and we're heading to Bagel Box. Bagel place. Oh, the music is too loud.
We're getting a little loud.
Yeah,
There we go.
We got these bagels. So, hi. Good morning again.
Good morning again.
What are we making today?
Today, Betty Crocker's Super Moist Cake Mix.
What are you gonna make?
We are gonna make cupcakes with this cake mix.
No, he's gonna make it.
I'm gonna make it.
Cupcakes for what?
And we're making birthday cupcakes
Birthday.
for Bobby. Bobby.
Yay, thank you.
So
Thank you so much.
It's our first time cooking at the altitude, so it's gonna be interesting. We'll see if it works. But
Yeah.
I think we'll get it. We're
Okay.
gonna make a marmalade, cream cheese frosting for it as well,
Yes.
and we're gonna add some orange syrup to this frosting.
Yes. And we got some mandarins for it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So first
do it.
I'm gonna prepare and set up my ingredients, and then we'll get everything going.
Let's do it.
It's time to be juicing. We got our mandarins. It's perfect, but I don't think it's gonna go through, right? So I need to put it on the bottom. Like this.
What are you making?
I'm making mandarin syrup,
Syrup.
I suppose.
Okay, let's see.
Hopefully this works.
Is it working? Oh, it is working. Nice. It's like pink. I'm sorry. Oops.
Oh, I can do like this.
Juicing, juicing. Got. Zesting.
We are zesting.
We are zesting. I don't know if it's working. Oh, it is working.
It's under here.
Ah, nice. What is this?
This is our orange flavored cake.
Mixture.
We zested the skin of the mandarins, and then we made a mandarin syrup. Or I did make a mandarin syrup.
Yay.
And we put it in there.
Looks so good.
Oh, I'm gonna smell it.
I can't.
Oh, you can't.
Okay. My wife is making me cupcakes today.
I'm housewife today.
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
I don't know, but
Looks done. I don't know. Do you want me to eat one?
let's see. This is at the bottom.
A little bit.
It was like
Okay.
that before.
What are you making now?
I am trying to make cream cheese frosting. I'm not very good at
Cream
it.
cheese, sugar, vanilla.
Vanilla, and we're gonna add marmalade.
Ah.
And then we're
That's
gonna
good.
make whipped cream and fold this into the whipped cream.
Yes. Here's the cupcakes. And he's gonna pipe the
Going
icing.
to be piping.
Mm.
Oh no, it's not really like shaping well, because
No, it's good. It's good.
my hand is heating it up.
Oh yeah. Your hand
I'm
is
so
so
hot.
warm. Okay, that's the last one.
Oh no.
Yay.
It's not enough.
It's okay. You can just put the candles on top of it, so. Yay. It's organizing letters. Happy. PPY. Birth. Or
This R is over here.
day. Ah,
Ready?
happy birthday.
Okay, it's done. We're gonna light them.
Yay. Thank you so much, Bobbin.
Okay.
So pretty. Cute.
Ish.
Thank you, Bobbin.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
I'm gonna sing. Ready?
Yes. Let me turn it down.
3, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Bobbin. Koi. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
Koi.
I'm turning 27.
27, congratulations.
So old.
27 long years.
Yes.
Dozo, Bobbin, please
Yeah.
make a wish before it melts all over our cupcakes.
Hi.
Hi, dozo.
Yatta. Oh, that's right.
Oh, one big blow, one big blow. You can do it. Okay, first bite.
We got H.
I don't know. I hope it tastes good, but I don't know. Never made anything like this before, so we'll see.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know how to eat it.
Oh wow. Here. Let's see. どう？どう？本当に？ Are you sure? Are you sure?
やばい。
本当に？
This is the best cupcakes ever.
Oh my god, I hope so. I don't
No,
know.
it's really good. It's so moist. And like the icing.
Is
The
it good?
icing is just so perfect. And it's
Really?
so moist inside as well.
Yeah, I hope so. Oh my god, are you serious? That's too much. Kawaii, Bobbin. Yokatta.
I like that.
Can I try now? Okay.
Fit check.
Fit check. すごい。すごい。Akina-chan.
Akina-chan.
You totally
I
look like
really
her.
like Akina no Tomo.
Kawaii. Oh no, it's running out of tape.
Oh no.
Kawaii. いいね。
We're gonna go to this place. It's called the Dome. To this one and the cookware over there. Yeah. We wanted to go to this place for pretzels and everything, but they're closed.
Yeah, it looks really cool, but
Sad.
look, they even have like a really cool. Go. Everything's closed today, but we're just driving around and finding stuff. So this place looks really cool, but it's closed, unfortunately.
Sad.
可愛いね。楽しいね。
Yeah.
And the
And
best
these shops are
consignment
closed.
place. TVs. So we go home defeated.
But we got some sausages.
Yes, so it's fine.
Let's go.
Yes.
Hi. I've got these boots
Oh,
for
check
my
those
birthday.
Kawaii.
They're Charles Keith.
Ooh, you're a fancy girl now, huh?
Yeah, this is my fit today.
Very cute. Very cute.
And we're gonna show you what we got from stores.
Yes.
Eat.
Eat.
Okay.
Okay, let's take a look.
So we got these from a cookware shop.
Hold it there.
So cute.
Kawaii.
And this egg separator. I'm gonna use it for baking.
Hmm.
And what else? Ah! So, pretzel. These pretzels.
Pretzels. We're gonna have like
And
kind of like a mini Oktoberfest in here, I guess.
yes. And cheddar cheese.
Hmm.
We were looking for beer. I forgot.
Beer cheese.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make it since we couldn't find it.
Yep. And
Yeah.
we got these sausages.
Sausages.
Yeah. And we're gonna cook it, so
Yes.
you can see it.
Yes. Here we go.
Wow! This is our dinner today. Got some sausage, beer cheese, and pretzel bites. He made it. Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hello, I am Spetzel.
Oh my god. You're gonna get so cringy later.
I'm gonna die of cringing.
Yeah. How's the sausage?
It's delicious.
Super amazing.
We are having our beer cheese and pretzels and sausage, and I'm having a beer from our beer cheese, and I feel like a German boy. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's 3 already. 4:26.
4:26.
Yes. We are probably heading home soon, like about an hour.
Come take a look outside.
Yeah. Let's go. See. Okay. Yeah. The camera is still kind of like adjusting. Oh.
50 something degrees.
Oh, it's too dark, I think.
Oh well. You can kind of tell.
Oh, nice. We wanted to see elks, but there's no animals right now.
I wanted to ride the bike in there.
Ah,
It
that
looks
sounds good. Yeah.
I actually saw it.
Yay!
Now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, hi. We're doing laundry right now. We're waiting.
We're waiting for laundry. We'll pack up and then we'll go. But I wanted to show.
US.
Yes.
Boom. I'll get so cringy later.
Yeah. Definitely will be cringing.
Bye.
Bye bye for now.
Mate, can you do inside camera? Stop. Oh, it's recording now. Okay. We are going home soon.
Almost.
Sad.
It was very peaceful, huh?
It was very, very peaceful.
We should come back for sure. But peace for now.
Bye.
I turn this thing off.